N8N versus Crewai, full comparison for automation and AI workflows. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing two powerful platforms for automation and AI workflows, N8N and Crewai. Without further ado, let's dive in. First, we have here the N8N, which is best for developers and custom workflow automation. Developer-friendly automation, which offers deep customization with JavaScript functions and flexible workflows. Second is it has an open source and self-hosted, fully self-hostable with no vendor lock-in. Third is extensive integration, which supports 200 built-in integrations with the ability to create custom nodes and scalability. Can handle complex, large-scale automation workflows, but it is steeper learning curve, requires some technical knowledge for setup and customization. With self-hosting complexity, may need additional setup for hosting scaling. But it is best for developers and technical teams who need full control over workflows, integration, and scaling for complex automations. Now let's dive into the Crewai. It is best for AI-driven automation and non-technical users. First, it is AI-powered workflow automation, which automates tasks using built-in AI capabilities for smarter workflows. Second, no-code interface, drag-and-drop workflow builder that's easy for non-technical users to navigate. Third, it has a pre-built integrations, easily connects with tools like Google Sheets, Slack, and more. Third is it equals to collaboration and features, allows multiple users to work on workflows simultaneously, but it is only limited to developer flexibility. Not ideal for highly customized or complex workflows, scalability and limits. May struggle with high volume or complex automation tasks. It is best for business professionals, marketers, and team looking for an AI easy-driven automation without requiring any code or experience. Now let's dive into our final verdict. Choose N8N if you're a developer who needs full control over custom automation, scalability, and deep integrations across various platforms. On the other hand, choose Crewai if you're looking for an easy-to-use AI-powered automation platform that's perfect for non-technical users and small business workflows. Now, which tool fits your automation style? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.